Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So today in this video I'm gonna show you how to read news on investing.com. So to get started, let's open a browser. For now I'm using Microsoft Edge browser. Click on it and now on search bar search investing.com and click enter. So here in this website you can see many options like crypto, news, analysis, charts, technical, brokers, tools, academy, so many. So for now we are here to read news, so let's go to news option, tap on it, and you can see many options like you can read the news of stock markets, cryptocurrency, commodities, currencies, economic indicators, breaking news. Now let's go for stock markets. So here you can see many news of stock market. You can just click on it and read news. So here also you can see graph of news of stock markets. So in this way you can read news on investing.com. So that wraps for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.